There's only one monkey only. The other monkey is stuck in 7 train, you know. There's a little malfunction going on. Sorry for that. And that would be supposed to be my co-host. But he can't come. Shambang piu shamba jera da. Kolle to masura. Tang aranchi was show start here. And tang wala. Direct first by the just the shoes.
Chip you doing bad.
Tang at the uira. Oh my god. Chip you the
야, 비우르다 먼저.
예. 마이크 this 인데잖아 옆에서. 옆에 보는 거.
나 비우 원내 들다. 나 원내 비우 배드 거 야갈아도 낭초 순이기 비우든 나 원내 인다죠. 켜수인 베게 잘하다.
네네. 나 비우래. 나 쩍빠찡이 더 버르다.
아니 너도 열이나 나 비우 원내 들어. 비우 오리지널 OG 비우.
가래게 쓸다. 어떻게 Identical suit. I mean, come on. Why you copying me like that? You can't copy me. I'm the original.
I'm the real one. Okay.
Oh my god. Anyways, welcome to Tyra's first birthday ever. But I have some little. Whew. So to be a host for the Tyra's first birthday, right? You need some qualification. Qualification is go to the
yeah. 지워 있는 걸 렌 지워시다. 렌 겨. 그래서 남발 렌게 상마. 고모 따라기 버젤라 레바 가딘체. 먼저 상마 칼라 몽고예. 동해 몽고예. 사야 몽고예. 차보다 예. 장모다 예. 잠보다 센참 망치라 당보예. 라소. 인다 라소.
Okay, so what he says is we have a lot of hot and cold liquor over there. We have a bar over there. Where you can drink a lot. Yes, it's unlimited drink. And yes, I see everyone's looking very fabulous, so I'm a little distracted and nervous. But yeah, we will begin our program shortly, so please be seated and we have a lot of surprise for you guys. So enjoy and welcome to Tyra's first birthday ever. Thank you. Yo, you guys made it. That's a big congratulations. Yes. Give it up for yourself. Yes, congratulations. You made it. And to those who are late, hey man, a monkey doesn't, you still have 2 monkeys, you know? Show must go on, right? All right, let's start the show right now.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tara. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Tara. That was so lovely. Thank you so much. Yes, you over there. Oh, I think I know you, Danny. You're loud. Yes, let's give it on the stage right now. You know what? We're gonna go on the stage.
All right.
All right. Next, we have to say something like it's very tough. We're gonna play with when we were a little kid. We're gonna make our face like. All right, everyone say that. Can you say it? Woo! Yo, give it up. Somebody say wow.
David.
All right, we're gonna try another one. Say. Okay. Oh, we have a little one right here. Okay, you got. I know you're shy, but you gotta say. Come on, you got this. The camera's watching. Hey, look, if she can't say what, Tyra's gonna be what?
Tyra's gonna be
mad. Yeah, Tyra's gonna be mad. So do you want Tyra to be mad? I don't think so. Say, woo! All right, yeah, she tried. That was beautiful. We're gonna go under the stage right here to these 2 gentlemen right here.
Check.
Oh, that mustache looking nice, sir. Yeah, what you go to the mustache?
Wait, what?
The mustache. What you got it?
Picked it up last few weeks.
Yeah? That's good. Can you say, we're going to play with a tongue, right? We're gonna play with tongue. We're gonna say la 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 la.
La, la, la.
That was beautiful.
way to go,
Give it up for Mr.
Cameron.
Mr. Cameron. All right, next we have. I know her personally, Miss Dicky right here. Yes, give it up for Miss Dicky. She decorated this whole place. She did a lot of them. And I would like to. You gotta say la 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 la. Can you say that? That's easy. Oh, she said that's easy. So we're gonna find out right now. You ready?
La la la.
Okay, that wasn't easy. It was. She made it look easy. All right, we're gonna go back.
Yeah, can everyone really sing this?
Chamber, gap na roches.
Kande
Ini this ko. Ini je Ani ini je gap na syo.
Gap juwa mari andi lakko yu.
Gap na wa yang ati se da shas lai.
Ready.
Yeah, Tara ga chere shamata na. Tara's gonna be mad. That's what I did for Tara. Happy birthday to Tara once again. All right, next we have a cake ceremony.
We have
and a kata ceremony. At the same time, we have a dinner. So I'm here for the cake. What are you here for?
I want some momo and lapping. There's some momo.
He wants Achehitos. Achehitos what?
Lapping.
Achehitos laughing. Give it up for Achehito for laughing. The best laughing in New York City. That's it. Also, we have a photo shoot right here. If you guys don't remember, pala parke irda par. Parke na dir. Tell a hashtag your Instagram, Facebook, whatever you want, Tinder, whatever you guys want.
So our job as MC is officially done, thank God. I've been stressing about this thing for like 2 weeks. I couldn't sleep, I couldn't go to work, I couldn't go do some gym and build some bicep, you know. But it's officially done. I'm so happy. I'm looking forward for tomorrow to sleep and don't care about anything. So
yes, thank you very much for congratulations again. You guys made it here. Congratulations. Give yourself congratulations.
Yes,
we're gonna have a cake ceremony as we go.
Binde zomo yaka ninje mola kachuma yaka kayu la kasana la ninje mola senki o maluye intro amo ki ninje mola o pishiro naka Shakiri la ninje mola mapcha mang pudupe Gebe uto nye pe ninje mola mapcha chile mindu Karma la gyai kine ninje mola pasanga wa mindu Fumo gyai kine ninje mola Kirangawa mindu Hey, 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 hey. Oh, 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 oh. Peme la dumre nang la ninje mula Zeme luya lengi Luya Zomo la panki
Wait. We don't have a winner. Alright, we gotta take the chair out. Alright, we go one more time. That was just a practice, alright? We gonna do it. They played you dirty. It's okay. Be the real man. M2T. Oh, ding. We have a chicken winner. Yes, give it up for the old lady, right? Thank you for participating. And we have a winner prize for you. You don't live in empty-handed. Yes. We give you a trophy. We give you a trophy. This trophy will remember you. Yes, give it up. Woo! She's a star. She's a big star. Hey. We give you a trophy. This trophy will remember you. Yes, give it up. For my man over here, make us proud. You have a trophy, yes. Have what's for
the best dress for the kids. We got Tenzin Nongsil.
Yay! You got a gift. Best dress. You gotta walk. Next we have couple of the night. Oh yeah, if you're dating someone, that means you're gonna come here and get your award.
Alright, so the couple of the night we got Azuturing and Chusunam. Come up.
Couple of the night. Give it up for Dickie and Sonam, the tall handsome guy.
Here you go, Mr. Japan.
Alright, next we have awards for the best dressed male. And if you're a male, you might come forward.
And Jerry, come up. We got you, Jerry. Gucci gang, let's go.
Alright, Jerry, you gotta take it like you own it. Thank you.
Feel free to join everyone, let's go. Make this night interesting.
She saw